probably all wondering, how can I password protect a folder? And it's actually quite simple, and you just need a tool called 7-Zip. So let's get right into it. So right here, we're going to need the software called 7-Zip, and you can just download it right here from 7-zip.org. Wow. So you're going to want to download your software. There's 32-bit and 64-bit. If you don't know what your computer is, just get 32-bit. I know mine's 64-bit. So it's going to download right here. You're going to get a prompt right here. You're going to have to click yes. And then just simply click install. And it installs just like that. So now we have 7-Zip on our computer, and there's plenty of things you can do with it. You'll see right here, I have two secret text files. I have this one over here, and I have this one over here. So with these right here, we obviously need to hide these. We don't want to know this is a link to my top secret hidden video, and we don't want people to know that 1, 2, 3, 4 is the first 4 numbers after 0. That's our secret knowledge, so we need to save that. What we do is we can just highlight both these, and then when you right click, you'll see a 7-Zip thing in your click. And right here, there's an option, add to archive. So when you click that, you get a window over here. And we can change it in whatever archive format we want. We're going to put it in a zip so it's openable. And then keep all that stuff default. And now here's our encryption. We can leave it as zip crypto, that way we can just enter the password to view our files. And our password to keep all our knowledge safe is going to be password. And you can type it again. And you can show your password to make sure that's password. And then as soon as you click OK, what the passwords do not match, they do match. Password. Okay. And then it should, on our desktop over here, yep, I put it on my other screen. Now we have a zip file with our secret documents in there, see? And notice how it says password yes. Now if I open my secret link, we have to enter our password. And then here's the secret link to one of my videos. And then on our desktop, we can just delete these, and then we can empty our recycle bin fast. So there we go. Now we have a completely zipped up folder. I'm DSPC Repair. I'll see you all later. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you liked it even more. And I hope this helped you out. Just don't try to be hiding anything illegal or anything, because the FBI could still break into this folder encryption. But anyway, I'm DSPC Repairs. Goodbye.